How to get Instagram profile photo that flips between picture and avatar. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can actually get Instagram profile photo that flips between picture and avatar, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to get an Instagram profile photo that flips between picture and avatar, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all basically make sure to launch the Instagram app here. Once you launch the Instagram app, just make sure that you go ahead and then basically log into your account. So let me also go ahead and then log into my account like this. And once I log into my account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. So what I need to do is, if I come to my profile page, maybe you want a profile that also just flips like this between your picture and the avatar. So what you want to do for that is tap on edit profile, tap on edit picture or avatar, tap on add to profile picture here. That is the most important thing. Make sure you select add to profile picture, and when you go over here select add to profile picture. Once done, whenever you tap the save option and refresh it, next time your picture and the avatar are going to flip between each other when someone else is viewing this. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.